lets me in. See, I can show you places in your room you ain't never been. Just let your hair down so I know that you're feeling it. Like, move. All the light you see in me shining through. Pull up on you, skirt, skirt, there's room for two. Making all this fancy shit look cool. Tell me how you do that shit. She keep it real and I like. Put the feeling feels am I right. Got the new boots, all white. Talking all damn night about life. Faded off love, salivating your touch, and I can't get enough. Daddy make the rent go away with commission on sale, and push a little money in the bank if you're feeling Rodale. Yeah, you could be a high class bitch, but you really don't care. You would rather hold that chain, just lay it up here. Like, ooh, all the light you see in me shining through. Pull up on you, skirt, skirt, there's room for two. Making all this fancy shit look cool. Tell me how you do that shit. Move. All the light you see in me shining through. Pull up on you, skirt, skirt, there's room for two. Making all this fancy shit look cool. Tell me how you do that shit. I know this might sound crazy, yeah. I've been thinking a lot about you lately. I'm not trying to sound basic, no, no, but I think you'd be proud of the man that you made me. I don't want your forgiveness, I just want you to know that you changed me and my reflection. But every journey starts with acceptance. Wish I could surprise you with flowers and say let's do it all again. But you're down to your last parachute, I won't let you fall again. The best thing you did was saying goodbye. Yeah, I fucked up, I was not a good guy. I played the victim and made it unfair. You couldn't ever do anything right, and that's when you left, it all went to shit. I cannot blame you for having a dip. Just know that I've learned from the things that I did. And if you need a friend, you know where I live. I know this might sound crazy, yeah. I've been thinking a lot about you lately. I'm not trying to sound basic, no, no, but I think you'd be proud of the man that you made me. I don't want your forgiveness, I just want you to know that you changed me. Changed me, changed me. Oh, you changed me, changed me, changed me. I don't want your forgiveness, baby, just listen. I want you to know that you changed me. You changed me.
I swear that the success closure made me and my new girl closer. Still a chain smoker, hits like I rode him backseat of your Rover. Life's lit, know you heard I'm living better than your prospects. I've been making progress. Relationships sank, build a better boat, bailing out the others, learning in the process. Know they talk about me saying, have you heard? Have you heard? heard the whole world hanging on to every word. That's every word. Takes a little time to finally learn to shine, but I'm finding we all get what we deserve. So I hope you got it. I hope you're happy these days. You deserve that. Honestly, I hope you're doing great. If I see you around the way, hope we on the same page. Small town boy, I was small.